If you have ever opened a Skoda MQB49 5C key, mashed it against the app diagram, and instantly felt that something was off, you are not alone. One wrong wire here can turn a simple key job into a full afternoon headache. And in real workshops, that kind of confusion costs time, money, and patience. Today we are clearing that confusion properly. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your trusted place for real-world automobile diagnostics, key programming, and tool knowledge that actually works on the workshop floor. If you find this kind of hands-on information useful, take a second to like the video and subscribe to Baabji Motors so you do not miss future fixes like this. Before we go further, a quick disclaimer. This content is strictly for educational and informational purposes. It is meant to help technicians, learners, and automotive enthusiasts understand systems and procedures better. Any visual references fall under fair use for education and review. Trademarks remain the property of their respective owners, and always follow manufacturer instructions and local laws when working on vehicles. One more thing before we continue. The tools I use for this job are linked in the description. Those are affiliate links, so if you choose to buy through them, it supports Baabji Motors at no extra cost to you. Now here is the real question I want you to think about as we go through this. Why does the Skoda MQB49 5C key wiring sometimes not match what the Keydiy KD-X4 app shows? This issue usually comes up when technicians try to generate or repair a Skoda MQB49 5C key using the Keydiy KD-X4. You open the app, select the key type, check the wiring diagram, and then look at the physical keyboard in your hand. The problem is that the wiring paths, contact points, or pad layouts simply do not line up with what the app is showing. At that moment, it feels like either the key is wrong or the software is wrong. In reality, neither is completely wrong. Skoda MQB49 5C keys exist in more than one internal layout. Externally, they look identical. Same shell, same buttons, same frequency range. Internally, however, the wiring and board routing can differ based on supplier batch, production revision, or region. That is why you may not find an exact matching schematic inside the Keydiy KD-X4 application. What matters is understanding that the Immobilizer chip position and the functional signal paths remain consistent, even when the wiring looks different. When you encounter this specific Skoda MQB49 5C key variant, you should not force match it to the closest diagram in the app. Doing that is how tracks get damaged and chips get overheated. The correct approach is to follow the alternative wiring layout used for this particular 5C board design. This same wiring has already been successfully used by multiple technicians in real workshops. Even users working with the Zorse VVDI Key Tool Plus have reported that this exact wiring is not listed inside the device. Yet the key functions perfectly when wired according to this layout. In simple terms, if your Skoda MQB49 5C key wiring does not match the Keydiy KD-X4 diagram, do not panic. Use the confirmed alternative wiring method for this board type. The communication lines, power supply, and Immobilizer data path still behave the same electrically, even though the physical routing looks different. This is one of those situations where experience beats diagrams. Software libraries cannot always keep up with manufacturer revisions, especially on modern MQB platforms. That is why channels like Baabji Motors focus on real results instead of just screenshots from apps. And yes, this is also why sometimes the car feels smarter than the tool, which is mildly offensive when you think about it. Now let us come back to the question from earlier. Why does the wiring not match? The answer is simple. Skoda MQB49 5C keys have multiple internal revisions, and not all of them are documented inside Keydiy or Zorse databases yet. Once you know that, the confusion disappears. Personally, I believe this is exactly why technicians should understand fundamentals instead of blindly following diagrams. Tools are important, but knowledge is what saves the job when the tool falls short. Here is a useful insight before we wrap up. If you ever face a wiring mismatch like this, stop and compare functional points instead of visual traces. When power, ground, and data lines are correctly identified, most MQB keys can still be generated safely even when the diagram is missing. If you have faced this Skoda MQB49 5C issue yourself, drop a comment and share your experience. Your input helps other technicians avoid the same mistake. Check the description for the tools I used, which are linked through affiliates and help support Baabji Motors. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, share it with your workshop group, and help us push Baabji Motors toward the #1 spot for diagnostic knowledge. Let us aim for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments on this one. Every like, comment, and share tells the algorithm that this content matters and helps the channel grow. If you really want to support the work, consider joining the channel membership and becoming part of the Baabji Motors inner circle. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep sharpening your skills, and as always, happy diagnosing.